Hello, I am Lisa Young and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello, okay, so today I wanted to show you guys a kit that I put together for a teen girl. I recently have been, some of you know this already, I've been working with young adults on how to journal and develop a practice so that when life gets hectic or difficult and they need to balance their emotions, they have some tools that help them by journaling. So I have been asked to get a kit together for a girl that doesn't live in my town, so she can't exactly come to me and have me work with her on journaling. So I'm going to put a kit together and then I'm going to send it to her. And I have set up her journal to kind of help show her how I do it and like some methods to do this. So I thought I would show you the journal and the kit. Okay, so I have a zip pouch that I found on Amazon, I think, I'm not for sure, that I'm putting the supplies in. My hair's on there. Okay, so I'll open this zipper and I'll show you what's inside. So I have some different pens, markers. Every girl needs a fun couple of pens in there. So just some in a clear mesh bag. It came with one of our luggages and I just threw it in my bag of pouches, and I thought I'll find some use for it. And so that's what I'm using that for. I have some stickers in here and some clip art. This is from my shop. I just threw in some clip art for her to have. This is a dump journal, and this is just a simple composition notebook. And what I instruct my clients to do is to write stream of consciousness one way, then the other way, and then the other way. So 3 times. And then you can't read what you've written, but it's a nice way to dump everything that's emotionally going on with you. Then I have her journal. I put a really good pen. Everybody needs a good pen. So I have one there. And this is a cute sticker I got in Waco, Texas. So I thought I'd put that on the cover. It turns a black simple notebook into something cute. I like to leave the first few pages blank and then go right into some journaling that can happen throughout the life of this journal. So this is stuff that can be done as they go. And so like the magic 5. And so this is different than the magic of 5. I just did the magic 5. I just thought I'll just throw something in here with a bunch of 5s. So 5 adults I trust, 5 places that make me feel safe, 5 happy places, color equal feelings. So like blue happy or pink happy, yellow joy, green safe, like colors that match a feeling. So when you see them, you feel something. 5 favorite memories, 5 friends I trust, 5 smells you love, 5 things that bring me joy. And then this one is things that make life a little easier right now. And there's 25. Mementos to collage. So like movie theater tickets, receipts from the convenience store, or packaging that you like. You just glue it all in here. Just like a collage of like your favorite things, what I'm grateful for, and then they write their gratitudes in the lines. Things that make me smile. This is like a nice little mind map. Both of these are mind mapping in a creative way. Things that bring me joy, and then she can write them in that. Things I love, because this could go on forever. Places I want to see. This could go on forever. I didn't want to put that much pressure on somebody that maybe doesn't, I don't know if she loves to travel or not, but that's like my favorite thing to do. So I kept it to 20. 10 people that are kind to me. 5 things that calm me. And what these are meant to do are just to kind of help you get to know yourself better and see yourself in an abstract way instead of just like Who am I? I don't know who the hell I am. This helps you know who you are. This asks you simple questions, and eventually you start to get a picture of what makes you tick. So that's kind of what those are designed to do. And then we'll go into Monday page. And I have a class for Monday pages that gives you all kinds of ideas. I also have a blog that gives ideas on what to use as these little topics. So like what I'm naturally good at, activities that help me lose track of time, favorite foods. So like just every week I set up a Monday page with little journal prompts that you're not sitting and journaling a page. That's too much pressure. But this helps you kind of open up a little bit. Also helps you get to know yourself better. Gentle 5. There's a grief. That's something that's maybe not feeling that great right now, or not going your way, or something that's you're just not loving in your life right now. A glow is something that you're doing really well. A gratitude, obvious. A grounding is something that makes you feel safe, comforted, healthy, strong, centered. So like your home, sitting by a tree, standing in the grass, taking deep breaths, journaling, listening to music. I've had clients tell me car rides ground them, which to me, I was like, because I like being home. I do like going on drives, but I never thought about grounding being a drive, but I totally can see that happening. Taking a trip in the mountains, swimming in water, floating makes you feel grounded and safe and protected, that kind of thing. There have been different answers, and ones that maybe I haven't thought of. So that's what's been really cool about working with clients, is hearing what grounds them. What I don't like to see is when they say a person grounds them. We should have something that, this is going to sound bleak, but that if that person isn't there anymore, can you still feel grounded? So if you take a person out of the equation, can you still feel grounded? You're always going to have grass. You're always going to have, in different seasons, you're always going to have ground, I guess. You're always going to have breath. You're always going to have sunshine. You're always going to have you have access to this at all times. So something that you always have access to that makes you feel safe and at home. Gravitation. So gravitation is something that you're wanting to bring into your life, and you're going to use I statements like I am, or I attract, or I'm trying to think, like I attract abundance, I attract safety, I attract those type of statements, things that you're wanting to pull. So thinking gravity, something that you want to pull into your life. What is one thing that happened to you and one thing that is you? So that's supposed to say you and you. Anyways, so something that happened. So something that happened, this happened to you this week. So something that happened to you could be somebody yelled at me, somebody hurt my feelings. That's something that happened to you. Something that is me is like, I am kind, I am strong, I am healthy, I'm good at math, I like to read, like something that is you. So and this is really good to differentiate, like things that happen to you are not who you are, kind of thing. So this is just a reminder of that. A song lyric of the week, or a quote, or movie quote, just anything like that for the week. And then always gratitude of the week. And I did 2 different sections for her, so she has 2 weeks to help her understand what I mean when I say Monday page, and a weekly that stays the same. So like these are different, these stay the same. So every week you would do these things, but every week these would change. So anyways, this is the kit that I'm sending to this girl, and I hope she enjoys it. But if you want me to dive a little deeper into anything that I talked about, if you want more of this content, just let me know. You never know what people want until they tell you. So if you want more of this type of content, just let me know in the comments, or if you have some suggestions of things that you want to see more of, just let me know. But I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you put together a kit for somebody, a journaling kit for somebody, and I bet it just makes their day. These are great for teens. I've done this for people who like have gotten divorced or are lost a loved one or going through a hard time or turning 16 or whatever it may be. These are great gifts, and I've done this for years, given journaling packets, and it's one of my favorite things to put together, and each time it's a little different, but for the most part the things are the same thing. Oh, the other thing that you could add in here is like stencils, glue sticks, any kind of adhesive, washi tapes, all those types of things would be fun in this kit. So the sky's the limit. Just have fun with it. Until next time, I hope you continue to happy journal.